The best AFM disabler improves engine reliability, prevents unwanted cylinder deactivation, enhances driving performance, and helps reduce wear on AFM-equipped engines. My today's video is about top 5 best AFM disabler for car that are available in the market. If you want to know price, and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Repote AFM Disabler Active Fuel Management. The 2026 AFM/DFM Disabler is a practical upgrade for drivers who want a smoother, more responsive driving experience without permanently modifying their vehicle. It plugs directly into the OBD2 port, making installation quick and completely tool-free. By keeping the engine operating in full V6 or V8 mode, it eliminates the constant switching caused by AFM/DFM systems, delivering more consistent throttle response and performance. A major advantage is that it doesn't reprogram or alter the factory ECU, so simply unplugging the device restores the vehicle to its original settings. The updated version supports a wider range of compatible models than previous generations, adding extra value for more vehicle owners. Backed by a satisfaction guarantee with return and exchange support, it offers added peace of mind. Before purchasing, verify that your vehicle is compatible, as it does not support 10-speed transmission models or 2022 and newer refresh models. Now our second product is Bonowo AFM Disabler AFM/DFM Disabler. This AFM/DFM Disabler offers a hassle-free solution for GM vehicle owners seeking a simple, non-invasive performance accessory. Installation is effortless, just plug it into the OBD2 port, and it's ready to operate without tools or complicated setup. Designed for a wide range of GM models, including the Silverado, Sierra, Tahoe, Yukon, Camaro, Colorado, Suburban, and Escalade, it integrates seamlessly through the vehicle's diagnostic interface without altering factory hardware or ECU settings. Because it makes no permanent modifications, you can remove the device at any time to restore the vehicle to its original configuration. Its low-power design allows it to remain connected during everyday driving without placing a noticeable drain on the battery. By supporting consistent vehicle operation, it delivers a smoother and more predictable driving experience while maintaining the convenience and flexibility that many drivers appreciate. Always confirm compatibility with your specific GM model before purchasing. Our third product is BDDFM AFM DFM Disabler Active Fuel Management. The AFM AFM/DFM Disabler is a convenient solution for GM owners who want a smoother and more consistent driving experience. Installation takes only seconds. Simply plug the device into your vehicle's OBD2 port, and it begins working immediately without tools or complicated setup. By disabling active fuel management and dynamic fuel management, it helps maintain consistent engine operation, reducing the frequent cylinder switching that some drivers find distracting. One of its biggest advantages is its non-invasive design, as it does not alter or reprogram the factory ECU. If you decide to remove it, your vehicle instantly returns to its original factory configuration. Compatible with many GM V6 and V8 cars, trucks, and SUVs, it offers broad vehicle support, though verifying compatibility before purchase is essential. The device is designed for everyday use, but removing it during extended periods of vehicle inactivity can help preserve battery power. Now number 4, Top-Down AFM/DFM Disabler for V6 V8 GM. This AFM/DFM Disabler is a well-designed plug-and-play solution for compatible GM V6 and V8 vehicles, offering smoother engine performance without permanent modifications. It works by preventing unwanted cylinder deactivation, helping maintain full V6 or V8 operation for more responsive acceleration and consistent throttle feel. Many drivers also appreciate its potential to reduce issues commonly associated with AFM/DFM systems, such as excessive oil consumption, carbon buildup, and premature lifter wear. Installation is effortless. Simply connect it to the OBD2 port, and it activates automatically without tools, tuning, or ECU reprogramming. Intelligent power management places the device into an ultra-low power sleep mode when the engine is off, minimizing battery drain during long periods of inactivity. Built-in LED indicators and NFC support make monitoring status and accessing setup information simple. Before purchasing, always verify your vehicle's compatibility using the fitment chart to ensure proper operation and avoid unnecessary returns. And our last choice is L-Free AFM/DFM Disabler. The updated 2026 AFM/DFM disabler is a thoughtful upgrade for compatible GM V6 and V8 vehicles, combining improved performance with exceptional power efficiency. Its new low-power design allows the module to remain plugged in during everyday driving without causing noticeable battery drain, while intelligent sleep mode further minimizes power consumption when the vehicle is off. The plug-and-play design requires no tools or ECU programming, and removing the device instantly restores factory settings. It helps maintain consistent engine operation for smoother acceleration, especially when towing, climbing steep grades, or merging onto highways. A built-in engine status indicator provides an added layer of convenience by alerting drivers if a potential issue is detected at startup. Built with automotive-grade materials, the module is engineered to withstand heat and vibration for long-term reliability. Before purchasing, carefully verify your vehicle's compatibility, as several newer GM models and specific transmissions are not. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.